Your credit score, your FICO credit score specifically, is based on a couple of factors: your payment history, the amount you owe, the length of your credit history, the new credit that you open, and the types of credit that you have. So, because payment history is 35% of your FICO score, it is one of the things that impacts your score the most and so quickly. That's why when I failed to make payments, my score dropped 100 points, because that was such a heavy part of my score and I wasn't performing well in that area. They immediately responded by dropping my score to 620. So whatever you do, pay your bills on time, come up with a system that allows you to track them, to pay them before they're due, but definitely don't do your best not to pay bills late, because then they just become more expensive for you. You have these late fees. And in my experience, I explained to you that they start out small at $25 a pop, but then they could almost double to 40 or more depending on the terms of your contract. The other thing to keep in mind is that how much you owe is 30% of your score. So that's normally what we call the credit utilization. So if you have $1,000 credit card limit and you have $300 charged, then your utilization is about 30%, right? Which is a good place where you want to be. You don't want to be at $999 on $1,000 card limit. So if you owe a certain amount of money, we try to make sure that you don't owe more than 30% of what you have access to. And that's including on all your loans, your mortgage, your car, whatever it is that you originally purchased it for, and then what you owe now. You like to get down as much as you can.